How to set up purchase verification on Google Play Store. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to set up the purchase verification on Google Play Store. Now, without any further delay, let's just jump right into the video. First thing first, open up your Play Store application and make sure you're logged in with your Google account. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now from this pop-up, you can find payment and subscription over here. If you don't see it, you can just go ahead and open up settings, and you might find it here if you haven't updated Google Play Store. But if you have the updated version, it should be right here when you drop down your profile. Now click on payment and subscription. Now make sure you have added a payment method first. So go ahead and tap on payment method, and it will show you your payment method over here and your card info. Now if you go back, you can find something called purchase verification. Tap on it, and as you can see, I've already turned on the biometric verification. So if I just turn it off, tap on confirm, it will ask you for your password. Now if you want to turn it back on, just toggle this and then provide your fingerprint for verification, and now it will be turned on. You can also set the verification frequency. So if you tap on it, you can do this every 30 minutes or never, or you can always turn on the purchase verification every time you try to purchase something off of Google Play Store. Now you can just go back, and then if you try to purchase anything from Google Play Store, it will ask you for your biometric verification. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.